Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kaggle login problems, account and verification errors step by step clearly. Open Kaggle in an incognito or private window to rule out browser extension conflicts. Check that you are using the correct login method, because Google, email, and social logins can point to different accounts. If you use Google login, confirm you are signed into the intended Google account in your browser first. If you use email login, retype your email carefully and avoid autofill mistakes. Click Forgot Password and request a reset link if you suspect the password is wrong. Open the reset email and click the link within the same browser where you started the reset. If you do not receive the email, check spam, promotions, and any company email quarantine folders. Add Kaggle.com and Kaggle at Kaggle.com to your safe sender list to prevent future email blocking. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break verification links. Clear Kaggle site data by removing cookies and cached files for Kaggle.com, then restart the browser. Disable VPN, proxy, or ad blocking network tools temporarily, because they can trigger security checks. Try a different network like mobile hotspot to rule out IP-based restrictions or firewall blocking. If you see a CAPTCHA loop, refresh once, then clear cookies again and try incognito mode. Update your browser to the latest version, because older versions may fail modern authentication flows. If you are on mobile, try logging in from a desktop browser to complete verification more reliably. When asked for phone or email verification, complete it immediately and avoid switching tabs during the process. If the verification code is not arriving, request a new code and wait at least 1 minute before trying again. Check that your phone can receive SMS from shortcodes, and disable silence unknown senders if needed. If email verification fails, copy the verification link and paste it directly into the address bar. Look for an error about account not found, then confirm you never created a second account with another email. If you suspect duplicate accounts, log out everywhere and try each email address you might have used. If Kaggle says your account is locked, wait the cooldown period and avoid repeated rapid login attempts. Review any security alert emails from Google or your email provider and approve the sign-in if it was blocked. Check Kaggle's status page or at Kaggle on X for ongoing outages that can cause login failures. On corporate or school devices, ask IT to allow Kaggle authentication domains if sign-in is blocked by policy. If you see verification error repeatedly, try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If nothing works, open Kaggle Help and submit a support request with your username, email, and exact error message. Attach screenshots of the error page and include your browser version and country to speed up support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.